G'day, motherfuckers. Welcome to Hillbilly's House. Today I'm going to talk for 5 hours straight about that narcissistic cunt, Thomas Arsehole. Jizzy jizz, blah, blah, blah. I'm going to smoke some blunts and talk to some cunts. Jizz on you cum, cum cum. Some special guests I might have on the Pussy Whisperer. We're going to smoke some weed. Woo! Yeah. I don't know why people associate me to a certain group, but hey, no. Anyway, let's talk about Thomas Arsehole and his nutsack faggot motherfucking dick fucking sick cunt. Woo! Motherfuckers! Woo! Cool! That narcissistic cunt, he gonna get fucked in the ass, fucked in the ass, fucked in the ass in prison by bend over. I'm the funniest cunt in Australia. I don't know why I don't have more likes. Oh fuck, 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 oh